Indian National Lokdal leader Abhay Singh Chautala has stated that he will on Friday start a tractor rally from Punjab's Ambala, in which thousands of party workers will participate. The INLD leader earlier this week had written to Haryana Assembly Speaker Gyan Chand Gupta offering his conditional resignation from the State Assembly in the support of the agitating farmers. Chautala has also stated that if the centre does not take back the 3 farm laws by the 26th of January, then his letter should be considered as his resignation from the State Assembly. Important developments that we are picking up relating to, of course, the farmers' agitation itself, where the Indian National Lokdal leader Abhay Singh Chautala has stated that he will on Friday start a tractor rally from Punjab's Ambala, in which thousands of party workers will participate. The INLD leader earlier this week had written to Haryana Assembly Speaker Gyan Chand Gupta. My colleague Amandeep is on the phone lines. Amandeep, important developments that we are picking up. Indian National Lokdal leader Abhay Singh Chautala has stated that a tractor rally will move forward, and if the 3 farm laws are not repealed by the 26th of Jan, this would be his formal resignation.
Exactly, Abhiraj. They are making all the efforts to politically release party, just because initially it was not the one-day announcement. He has actually discussed with the INLD cadre and the workers, and they decided at least Abhay Singh Chautala should do something in the favor of farmers. So that is why he decided that he is writing a letter to Gyan Chand Gupta, who is Speaker of Haryana Vidhan Sabha Assembly. And in fact, if in any case till the time of 26th January the things will not be resolved, so this would be his officially would not be any more MLA on 27th of January if the farm laws will not repeal. Meanwhile, he has also initiated a tractor rally in Ambala, and in fact, from the Friday it will be started. Just because they are making all their effort to support the farmers to political grounds, just because these farmers are all against the JJP. JJP is one of the party that has come out from the INLD, just because Dushyant Singh Chautala is the nephew of Abhay Singh Chautala. So that is why he is making his all efforts to gain back as a on the political grounds. So that is why he made such a big announcement on this issue. Yes, Abhiraj.
Right, of course, we're getting the Indian National Lokdal leader Abhay Singh Chautala's reaction bite also. Let's take a look at that first.
जब इस्तीफा मेरा पहुंच गया, जब मैंने लिख करके दे दिया ये कृषि के तीनों काले कानून अगर 26 जनवरी तक नहीं खत्म तो इसे मेरा इस्तीफा समझा जाए और इसको मंजूर कर लिया जाए। आज फिर आपके सामने साइन करता हूं उन्हीं सभी दस्तावेजों के ऊपर दोबारा। मैं फिर स्पीकर के 27 तारीख को सब हम जाऊंगा, ट्रैक्टर लेकर के जाऊंगा। कईयों ने तो ट्रैक्टर पे नाटक किए थे, लेकिन मैं ट्रैक्टर लेकर के विधानसभा में जाऊंगा 27 तारीख को। फिर उसके सामने दस्तखत करके कापी उसको और दूंगा। ये आज आपके सामने दस्तखत करके बाई हैंड कल पार्टी के ऑफिस की जिम्मेवारी लगाऊंगा कि वो फिर से जा करके रिसीट करा के आए, ताकि कल को ये नाटक ना कर सके भी मुझे तो इस्तीफा मिला ही नहीं।